so this is our next example. So here we want to solve. So this is our second solving one. So we want to find our list of possible rational zeros first. So this is our P over Q. So our P, so that's our 9, so we can have plus or minus 1, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 9. And then for our Q, our lead coefficient is 1, so that makes it nice. It's just plus or minus 1. So our P's are 1 over 1, 3 over 1, or 9 over 1. So plus or minus 1, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 9. So now we need to go through and test them. So we're going to synthetically divide. I usually start at whatever my first term is and then move right. I'm going to start with 1. So setting up for synthetic division, I'm not missing any terms, so I can just bring those down. I don't have to replace anything with a 0. I have a remainder, so I know it's not positive 1. But it looks like negative 1 does work. So that means this tells us that x equals negative 1. So this is x cubed, so this is x squared, x, and then our constant, so we have x squared plus 9. So solving this, I can move my 9 over. And then to undo a square, I square root both sides. So now I have square root of a negative. The square root of negative 1, that's our I. And it's plus or minus. And then square root of 9 is 3. So I can rewrite this as plus or minus 3i. So we have 3 solutions, which makes sense because this is a degree of 3. We have x equals negative 1 and then plus or minus 3i.